Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Tuesday, the 28th of May. Now, on the 20th of May, we went short the DAX 40 contract, and you can see here it did decline towards our downside target, but that was slightly further down at 18,250, and when it dropped towards the 18,500 mark. So yes, you could have made about 250 points profit here, but if you didn't cash in your profits and didn't get out at your entry level with a stop loss level, maybe now is the time to exit your losses, because it looks as if we are going to close above the 20th of May high. And if we do so today on a daily chart closing basis, to me, that would indicate that the corrective move to the downside has actually ended on Friday of last week, and that further upside might take us to new record highs with regards to this index. Now, this week, what I would like to do is to look at euro dollar, because what we're seeing here is a resumption of the uptrend we have seen since the mid-April lows. And you can see here that we continue to advance within this upward trending channel and have now broken through a minor resistance area here by rising above Friday's high. So for me, further upside is in store. I don't want to go long just here because of the risk-reward ratio. I'd rather wait for a retracement towards Friday's high. But for me, this would represent a good opportunity to enter the trend on the long side. This week's trade of the week is therefore to go long euro dollar on a minor retracement towards 108.60 with a stop loss below last week's low, just below 108.05, and an upside target around the 110 area.